Hey, what's up, guys? Give me another update, guys. I did film this video. Everything's put on right now. The new manifold and the intake, the gasket with the gasket that connects these two together. I torque spec'd all the bolts. I have that in the video too. It was 30 to 33. It's on 32 foot-pounds of torque. I got every single bolt except this one. I tightened it as best as I thought what 32 foot-pounds was. All I'm doing now is just waiting for my uncle to he was gonna do some research on the little pipe the little tube that runs down to the manifold to the little vacuum right here for the choke. This is automatic choke, but it doesn't need it. It's not code down here. This truck does not need this. You just set it and that's it. I think the code is it gets here. I think the code is it's gonna get here, guys. Sorry, because I have it the other way. It's like 34, and that's in a couple, like next week or like 4 or 5 days. But that's it. And what else? Yeah, everything's torque spec'd on there. The exhaust I'm gonna use is this one over here. Just so I can drive it to the shop, because I don't want to drive it. I don't even know if this works. This band on there. I don't know if it's gonna clip with the band on there. I think it is. No, it's not, because it has that piece. I don't know. And if it does, probably not, because I've never done a muffler. I never put it on, so I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna cut it like right there, and then just dump that down and just drive it to that place if it does work. If not, I'm gonna have to drive it like that, like so it sounds like a tractor. But you know, what am I supposed to do? That's what I'm gonna do with that. I'll probably put this carburetor on there so I won't mess up the other one, just so I can like hook up the vacuum and just see how it runs. It's not leaking any oil. Just looking at that right now, nothing. No oil. Hell yeah. Except all that trash over there. That was from underneath the frame. I think that's like a bunch of like just junk. Kitty, busted you. I don't know if I showed you this, guys, but I did scrape. They had welded the original, I guess the muffler I just showed you, a little bracket that was on there. And that's where it was hanging. And there's still a little bit of wet on there, but it's kind of flat. I'm probably gonna take that off, or maybe the guy at the shop will finish it off. I need to paint that. And what else? I guess that's it. I actually like the way it's body lifted like this. I know like that's like the cheap way to like lift the truck, but everything's accessible, guys. If I would actually drop it, it would be like really low, and I couldn't even access the pump and stuff for the inlet for the gas and stuff if I needed to like fix a wire or something. And everything else is accessible through here, like the lines, like if that rail was all the way down, it'd be like I couldn't like get that bolt to that shock right there, you know. Yeah, so I kind of like that little cheap body lift. You see, like everything's like right there, like the starter and stuff. If that was lower down, like yeah, couldn't reach nothing. So I actually like it, even though it makes the truck look weird. I guess that's it, guys. I still got the other parts: distributor, ignition coil, spark plugs, wires. I actually ordered the little filter, guys. I think it's this big, maybe smaller, for the little carb that I have. I hope that carb works. I'm gonna set the choke on it, and that's it. What else? I guess that's it. I did film it, like I was saying. That video will go up whenever I have money also to get the computer fixed. And save up money for the starter because it still is doing the same thing. And that's it. Everything's really on there. It's the only boat I had trouble with. This one was kind of having trouble with it too, but when you watch the video, it's gonna be kind of funny how I got that one. I hope I filmed it. The SIM card was full. I had to like clean it up and stuff. So what else? I guess that's it, guys. Everything's same. Oh, they're revving it out there somewhere. Check out the view. I think this the quality on this phone, I think since I'm uploading it just from my phone, I think it's only like 430 pixels or whatever. It's not that high. I wish it was 1080, but yeah. So yeah, everything's on there, guys. Look how cool it looks. Super nice. Little heat check valve. That's the heat check valve, guys. Where is it? I wish it was zinc coated because that's gonna rust real fast. Yeah. Everything's on there. And that's it, guys. So, and the other, I'm gonna see in the other video, maybe I can film, and like get an app, maybe like use this phone so I could like cut the app up, like edit, like get a program from I guess the app store to see if there's any like editing programs. I think there is. Since this is like a note, maybe I can like use the pen and it'll be a little bit more better, since more better than a regular phone, because it's a note and it's supposed to do like better things. But I'm gonna look up on that because I want to like the computer. I don't know what's up with the computer. It's gonna cost, I don't know how much, but yeah. And that's it. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I'm just talking, ranting. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.